that's the simple way I can explain software. Examples of software, right? Software is all around us. The valve, all those are programmed. If you open it, there's a motherboard. The computer is a motherboard. All those they pick instructions. And on the pen, in this table, they told you about the CPU. That's where the instructions are stored. Yeah. So we have what we call application software. This is additional software. Like for example, I download WhatsApp on my phone. It's not include software, it's additional to perform as a system. So this for WhatsApp mainly is for chatting and communication. And as well as there is a camera. That one is for picture.
Application software is the software that is
Additional.
designed for a specific purpose.
Then there is what we call operating systems. This is the software that we have Android operating system that's like random phones. Let me say Samsung's, Itel, Techno, Infinix, all those Android. Then you have Windows. Our computers here are using the Android. Then we have Mac software. No. Remember, the selling software is invisible, but it's their commands. So like, for example, I can make software and I'm like, hey, let me name it HANEAVE. The name will be HANEAVE, the name of the software. Doesn't mean it's me, no, it's the software. It's the same that the name is Windows. That's the same thing with Apple. The one we call iOS, iPhone operating system. Yeah. That's for him, name it Apple. That's what they use. We also have Linux. So for me here, I'm going to demonstrate a simple let me get a mouse. So this system I'm going to have two volunteers, one here and another is going to use that. So we are going to enter the random number here, your random number they gave you. Yeah, the program.
Say I use HTML, I use JavaScript, I use
In software, there is a package we call for start development. This is the development of software, backend and front end. So the base programs there, we use HTML, CSS for the front end. Then MySQL and PHP for the backend. Then we have I'll call it more like a connector. What we call it's called JavaScript, but there's a library of JavaScript called Ajax and jQuery. This helps us to connect the front end and the back end together without, because initially.
So you combine them?
Yeah, the 5 of them.
Alright, give me the syntax of HTML.
of HTML. You open up the HTML tag, you use the greater than and the less than signs, then you write HTML, then below you close it. You repeat the same code, but this time you start with the slash inside. Slash, the forward slash, then HTML. Inside there are those tags. You're going to write head inside the greater and less than tags. Head, and then close the same head. Then inside the head, that's where I'm going to put in the links of CSS. First, before that, you can decide about the title of the website you want. For example, I can say HANEAVE.com. Okay, so sometimes, for example, we are at school, and then let me say, sometimes we fall sick, or when I'm at campus, or anywhere. Yeah. So we fall sick. Then imagine you're going to have a paper to deliver to your sick. So how are you going to make it? For example, it's HANEAVE. So how are you going to make it? So that brings us an idea of e-assessment. It's powered by big brain technologies. So this thing here I made for it's a prototype. You can enter there your code.
That you use the tab. We use the tab.
Yeah.
We use the
You
tab.
can use this or Unit. You have different personal numbers, right?
We could generate one name.
Okay. We have
Because I don't know how we made the system to enter which personal number specifically.
when you register at the reception, they give
Did you
you
register?
the random number they gave you. Come and tell.
Did you get the random number?
Come and tell.
So I
Type in the random number.
You put it.
Yeah.
Then you start.
I start.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Requesting, we put in our honorable guest. He was supposed to open up this function, but he has come late. So if possible, requesting we go
Introduce
him. We stand behind him. He opens for us this exhibition.